FreeCAD and Shapr3D are two popular CAD tools with distinct approaches. FreeCAD is a powerful open-source desktop application, while Shapr3D focuses on mobile and tablet-friendly direct modeling. The core difference lies in their interface and platform focus. FreeCAD is an open-source parametric 3D CAD modeler designed for a wide range of engineering and product design tasks. It operates primarily on desktop platforms like Windows, macOS, and Linux, allowing users to build complex models by defining parameters and constraints. Its parametric nature means you can easily modify designs by going back into the model history and adjusting parameters. FreeCAD supports a broad set of features including mesh modeling, drawing sheets, and simulation tools. It integrates with other open-source software and supports many file formats, making it highly versatile. However, its interface can feel complex and less polished compared to commercial solutions, with a steeper learning curve for beginners. FreeCAD is ideal for users who want a robust, customizable CAD tool without licensing costs and who don't mind investing time to master its extensive features. Shapr3D is a CAD software built around an intuitive touch and pen-based interface, optimized for iPad and macOS, with Windows support as well. It emphasizes ease of use and quick direct modeling, making it accessible for designers and engineers who prefer a more visual, hands-on approach. Shapr3D uses a direct modeling workflow, allowing users to create and edit 3D models quickly without the need for complex constraints or parameters. Its interface is clean and modern, designed to leverage Apple Pencil and touch gestures, which enhances precision and speed. While it offers powerful modeling tools and seamless export options compatible with professional CAD formats, Shapr3D is a commercial product with subscription pricing. It is best suited for professionals and hobbyists who want fast, intuitive CAD modeling on the go, especially those invested in the Apple ecosystem. FreeCAD and Shapr3D serve different user needs. FreeCAD excels in parametric modeling with deep customization and no cost, perfect for engineers requiring detailed control and complex assemblies. Its open-source nature supports extensive plugins but demands time to learn. Shapr3D shines with its user-friendly touch interface and direct modeling, ideal for quick iterations and mobile workflows, especially on iPad. However, it comes with subscription fees and less parametric depth. For example, a mechanical engineer designing intricate parts may prefer FreeCAD's parametric control, while a product designer sketching concepts on a tablet might favor Shapr3D's fluid interface. Both support professional file exports, but the choice depends on whether you prioritize flexibility and cost or ease of use and mobility. Choose FreeCAD if you need a powerful free parametric CAD tool and are comfortable with a steeper learning curve for maximum design flexibility. Opt for Shapr3D if you value an intuitive, touch-friendly interface and fast modeling on mobile devices, especially within the Apple ecosystem. Both tools are excellent, so pick the one that aligns best with your workflow and design priorities.